Window installation is one of the most impactful home improvement projects you can undertake. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient windows, enhancing your home's curb appeal, or improving its overall security, installing new windows can make a significant difference. However, as with any home renovation project, window installation comes with its own set of expectations, tasks, and timelines. If you're considering window replacement in Washington, D.C., it's important to know what to expect during the process. Understanding the steps involved in the timeline can help ensure the project goes smoothly and that you're satisfied with the end result. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect during a window installation project in Washington, D.C. Initial consultation and estimate. The process begins with an initial consultation. A reputable window installation company will schedule an appointment to assess your current windows, take precise measurements, and discuss your needs and preferences. This is your opportunity to ask questions about different window types, materials, and styles. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows, decorative windows, or impact-resistant options, this consultation helps the installers understand what you're looking for. After the consultation, you'll receive an estimate that outlines the cost of the project. This estimate should include the cost of materials, labor, and any additional services, such as window removal or disposal. Be sure to ask about any warranties, financing options, and how long the project will take to complete. Choosing the right windows. Once you've reviewed the estimate and made your decision to move forward, the next step is choosing the right windows for your home. There are many types of windows to choose from, such as double or triple pane windows for better energy efficiency, vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum frames depending on aesthetics and durability preferences, casement, sliding, or double-hung styles based on functionality and design. During the selection process, a professional installer will help guide you through the various options, explaining the pros and cons of each based on your home's needs, style, and budget. Pre-installation preparation. Before the installation crew arrives, there are a few things you can do to prepare your home. Clear the area around the windows. Remove any furniture or obstacles near the windows that need to be replaced. This gives the installers easy access to the space and reduces the risk of damage to your property. Protect your belongings. Consider covering your floors and furniture with protective sheets or tarps to prevent dust and debris from affecting your interior. Secure pets and children. If you have pets or small children, it's a good idea to keep them away from the installation area for safety reasons. The process can sometimes be noisy or involve the use of tools that might not be safe for little ones or pets. Professional installers will usually arrive on time and ready with all necessary tools, materials, and equipment to begin work on your project. The installation process. The actual window installation process usually takes 1 or 2 days, depending on the number of windows being replaced and the complexity of the job. Here's what typically happens during the installation. Removal of old windows. The crew will carefully remove your existing windows, taking care to avoid damaging the surrounding trim, walls, or frames. They may need to remove old caulking and seals to ensure a clean slate for the new installation. Preparation of the window frame. Once the old window is removed, the crew will inspect the frame for any damage or issues. In many cases, the frame is reused for the new window installation, but if there's any rot or damage, the installers may need to make repairs or adjustments before proceeding. Fitting the new windows. The new windows will be carefully fitted into the existing frames. The installers will make sure they are level, square, and sealed properly to prevent air leaks. Proper installation is crucial to ensure that your windows operate smoothly and perform as expected. Sealing and insulating. After the window is installed, the installers will seal it using high-quality caulking and weather stripping to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. The proper insulation around the window helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. The crew will then reattach any trim or molding around the window to ensure a polished finish. Once the installation is complete, the installers will thoroughly clean the area and remove any debris from the project. Post-installation inspection and testing. Once your windows are installed, a final inspection will take place. The installers will test each window to make sure it opens, closes, and locks properly. They will also check the seals to ensure there are no drafts or leaks. You should ask questions about the operation of the windows and make sure everything is working to your satisfaction. If there are any issues, the installer will address them right away before completing the project. It's important to communicate any concerns you have during this step to ensure the job is completed to your satisfaction. Cleanup and final walkthrough. After everything is finished, the installers will conduct a cleanup of the work area, removing any debris, old windows, or packaging materials. A professional installation team will leave your home tidy and in the best possible condition. During the final walkthrough, the installer will review the work with you, explain the window's features, and provide instructions on how to care for your new windows. They will also inform you about any warranties or maintenance recommendations for your specific window types. Ongoing maintenance and warranty. After the installation, it's important to maintain your windows regularly to ensure they perform well over time. Most windows require little upkeep, but it's still important to clean them, check seals, and lubricate moving parts periodically. You'll also receive information about warranty coverage. Most window manufacturers offer warranties that cover defects in materials or installation for a certain period. Be sure to keep these details handy in case any issues arise. Conclusion. Window installation is a valuable investment that can enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and security. By understanding the installation process, from the initial consultation to the final inspection, you can ensure a smooth experience and enjoy the benefits of your new windows for years to come. Whether you're upgrading for energy savings, curb appeal, or noise reduction, a professional window installation in Washington, D.C. will provide lasting value and improve the overall quality of your home.